We have so many people dancing to Cotton Eye Joe, I'm sorry. I promise, we will play Cotton Eye Joe 100 times in a row for you this afternoon, okay? We'll work for it. It's coming, alright? I want everybody to go home really tired tonight. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for our Alliance selections. We do have all of our Alliance selection representatives ready to rock. And I want to spend, as FDA Ron told me, no more than 2 minutes explaining Alliance selections. Alliance selections are very simple. We're going to run Riot Alliance selections exactly how it will be done during a normal first regional or district event. We are going to form 8 alliances of 3 teams each. Alliance selections will begin with the team ranked number 1 as determined by their qualifying or ranking points. Ranking points this year, as determined through those 60 qual matches. We'll begin with the Alliance Captain number 1, determined by those ranking points. Then we'll move to Alliance Captain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At which point we'll take a brief pause. And the second selection for those Alliance Captains would begin with Alliance Captain number 8. Moving back up 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last selection being Alliance number 1. This will leave us with 8 alliances of 3 teams each for a total of 24 teams. Teams who are outside of that selected 24, as determined by their ranking points, should remain available as a backup robots. Backup robots may be called in their ranking point order by teams who are unavailable to continue the competition. This happens a lot in off seasons. This is a very, very long competition season. It's November for these poor robots that have done battle countless times throughout the season so far. One last shot through playoffs. So if you are in that top 4 remaining teams, you may want to keep your robots ready for action. There is opportunity for those teams to come back out and play in this afternoon's playoff tournament here at Ramp Riot number 20. For all of our Alliance selection representatives, hopefully they're paying attention up there. There's one very simple rule during Alliance selections. If you are picked by a team and you decline, you cannot be chosen by any other team. What does that mean? For example, if Alliance Captain number 1 chooses Alliance Captain number 3 to be part of their alliance, Alliance Captain number 3 can decline and form their own alliance. That's just peachy. However, that does mean Alliance Captain number 2 cannot turn to their friends, Alliance Captain number 3, and say, "Can you join me?" That is strictly a no. So if you are chosen by Alliance Captain and you decline, you cannot be chosen by anyone else. That does mean that Alliance Captains who decline are allowed to make their own alliances, and that does happen quite often during first competitions. The playoffs require teams that are capable of scoring all objectives out here on the field, including the habitat climbs. Teams will want to select alliances that comprise all game objective capable robots. With that out of the way, we'd like to begin Alliance selections, inviting our number 8 ranked Alliance robots. Please welcome onto the field Team 6040.
Sabotage from downtown area robotics in Glenmore, Pennsylvania.
Sorry, I'm testing you. Gotta run with that. Here we go. I'm not going to look at the numbers on the field. All right, Alliance Captain number 7 for the moment, Team 5401.
Fighting robotic owls from Bensalem High School in Bensalem, Pennsylvania.
Moving on up, Alliance Captain number 6, it's Team 316.
That's Lewis next from South Jersey Robotics and Salem Community College in Franklinville, New Jersey.
Alliance Captain number 5, Team 834.
That's the Spartans from Summerlin High School in Center Valley, Pennsylvania.
Alliance Captain number 4, Team 5407.
That's Wolfpack Robotics from AIM Academy in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania.
All right, Alliance Captain number 3, that's Team 1218.
Wolfpack Robotics from Springside, Chesterfield Academy in Philadelphia.
Alliance Captain number 2, 2607.
School.
And ranked number 1 at an average ranking score of 2.41 and breaking all the other tiebreakers, your number 1 ranked Alliance Captain Team 2539.
That's the Krypton Cougars. They're from Palmyra Area High School and Hershey High School in Palmyra, Pennsylvania.
They sure are. All right, the very first pick belongs to Alliance Captain number 1, 2539. Your invitation, please.
Team 2539 would like to invite 2607 to join the Alliance.
Team 2607, would you like to accept or form your own alliance?
Team 2607 graciously accepts.
Very nice. That does mean all of our alliance captains will move up to 1 spot on the field, and we're by the new number 8 alliance captain, Team 1391.
The medal moves from Westtown School in Westchester, Pennsylvania.
Our new alliance captain number 2, Team 1218. Your invitation, please.
Oh my lordy, Team 1218 would like to invite Team 1640.
Team 1640, would you like to accept or form your own alliance?
Team 1640 graciously accepts.
Very nice. That means we're going to have a brand new team number 8 alliance captain. That's Team 1712.
That's Dogma. They're from Lower Marion High School in Ardmore, Pennsylvania.
Now, moving up to a new number 3 ranked alliance captain. That's Team 5407. Your invitation, please.
Team 5407 would like to select 316 to join our alliance.
The Lunatics.
Team 316, would you like to accept or form your own complicated Excel spreadsheet alliance? A lot of columns on there. How did you get to ZC for columns? That's good.
Team 316 graciously accepts.
Very nice. And everybody carries their laptops around. 1 more spot. We'll invite Team 1676 onto the field.
The Pascack Pioneers from Pascack Valley Regional High School District in Montvale, New Jersey.
Now to our number 4 ranked alliance captain, 834. Your invitation, please.
Team 834 would like to invite Team 1676 to join our alliance.
The Pascack Pioneers.
Well, made that trip a little bit shorter. Team 1676, would you like to accept or form your own alliance?
Team 1676 graciously accepts.
Excellent work. And yet a new contender has entered the field. Team 423, your new alliance number 8 captain.
Simple Machines from Cheltenham High School in Elkins Park, Pennsylvania.
Now to alliance number 5. Team 5401, your invitation, please.
Team 5401 would like to invite Team 7414 to join.
That's PD Robotics from Berkeley Valley High School in Collegeville.
Team 7414 gratefully accepts.
Very nice. All right, alliance captain number 16, 1391. Your invitation, please.
Team 1391 would like to invite 1712.
That's Dogma.
Would you like to accept or form your own alliance?
Team 17212 enthusiastically accepts.
All right. And one more spot arrives here. That's for Team 433.
The Firebirds from Mount St. Joseph Academy in Flowertown, Pennsylvania.
All right, our number 7 lane alliance captain, Team 423. Your invitation, please.
Team 423 would like to invite Team 1111 to join us.
Powerhouse Robotics from South Carolina School in Edinburgh, Maryland.
Team 1111, the Powerhouse, gratefully accepts your gracious offer.
And Alliance Captain number 18, 433. Your invitation, please.
Team 433 would like to invite Team 5420. 5420, that's the White Team from South Jersey, Robotics in Houston, New Jersey.
Team 5420 graciously accepts.
All right. That concludes the very first round of selections here. Alliance number 8 has a second invitation to extend. And as they collaborate between their clipboard and slightly less complicated Excel spreadsheet. Oh, it's the same one. Wait, is it literally the same one? Wait a second. That's pretty good. So if she updates her spreadsheet, will it update yours right now? Oh, it's not in the cloud. All right. Alliance number 8. They look ready.
Team 433
And Team 5420
would like to invite Team 321.
321, that's Robotics from Central High School in Philadelphia. Team 321 graciously accepts.
All right. Moving on to Alliance number 7. Your invitation, please.
Team 423 and 1111 would like to invite Team 6326 to join us. Team 6326 graciously accepts.
Alliance number 6. You ready to rock?
Team 1391
And Team 1712
would like to invite 9539. 9539, that's Krypton Cougars D-Squad. On behalf of our sponsors, Team 9539 graciously accepts.
Okie dokie. Alliance number 5. You ready? Here we go.
Team 5401, Team 7414 would like to invite Team 272 to join us.
272 is the Cyber Crusaders. They're from Lansdale, High School in Lansdale, Pennsylvania.
Yes. Oh wait, we can't say yes. He has to say yes.
Team 272 graciously accepts.
That's a yes. All right, 4 picks remaining. Up to Alliance number 4. You ready?
Team 834
Team 1676
would like to invite Team 2191 to join our alliance.
2191, that's Bloodsport from Nottingham High School North in Hamilton, New Jersey.
We gratefully accept.
Short and simple. I like it. All right, Alliance number 3. Scrolling. More scrolling. 1 second.
1,000 years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later, the ordinary had got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure, eventually, 12 o'clock midnight, 2 hours later. Meanwhile, 8:01 p.m. the next day.
The next day. Okay, all right. We kept it within today. That's good. All right, Alliance Captain number 3. Your invitation, please.
Team 316
And Team 5407 would like to select Team 2191.
2191 is an excellent team, but they're right there. Oh, okay, all right. Try it again.
2199 is what we like to say.
Yeah, 2199.
That's the Robotics
Team 2199 graciously accepts.
Yeah, 2199. Look at all these bars. What are all the bars made of? Things. All right. Things and secrets. All right, here. Let's captain number 2. Your invitation, please.
Team 1218.
Team 1640.
Would like to invite Team 293 to join our alliance. 293 is Spike from Hopewell Valley Central High School in Pennington, New Jersey.
Team 293 graciously accepts.
All right. And we're down to our very last pick of the tournament. So, Alliance Captains. If you're an Alliance Captain, can you raise your hand? Who's an Alliance Captain? Alliance Captains, raise your hand. Up higher so I can see them. Alliance Captains. Oh, I guess they're missing Alliance Captains up there. All right. All Alliance Captains need to remain on the field for a short consultation with the head referee to go over timeouts and backup robots. So if you would raise your hand, or if you're completely ignoring what I'm saying, you should be up here anyway. Please stay on the field after this to talk to the head ref about timeouts and backup robots. Also, at the conclusion of this, the top 4 remaining robots should be prepared to serve as a backup robot. You will be available to teams who are damaged during the playoffs, as determined by your ranking points, so their top 4 remaining ranked robots should remain available for this afternoon's playoffs. Alright, after killing some time and letting this guy talk to his grandma, explaining how cool the playoffs are going to be, I think our Alliance number 1 is ready. Alliance number 1, your invitation please.
Team 2539.
And Team 2607.
Would like to invite 484.
Team 484, the Robo Force. Would love to join forces with you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you all in Alliances of your teams each. And wow, woke us up here. So we're going to have all the Alliance captains please stay here on the field with me. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have our time for the pickup of the playoffs out to you shortly. Let me go check the schedule real quick here. The top 4 remaining robots should be available in the event of a damage roll for the playoffs. Otherwise, we're going to break for lunch here, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be right back on the microphone with the time to start back up for the playoffs. Looks like time to start the playoffs. We're going to be back at 12:30. 12:30. That's 12:30. Quarterfinal 1. Match number 1 will begin. Alliance captains, please stay here on the field with me and the head ref. Otherwise, we'll pick you up on the other side of lunch. 12:30. Quarterfinal 1. Match number 1.